Today is gonna be a good day. I want you to take a deep breath in, a deep breath out. Let's take 2 more clearing breaths. In through the nose, out through the mouth. And let these breaths bring you back to center. 1 more. In through the nose. Final sigh out. Bringing you back to remember your true self. This part of you that knows you are always safe, that you are always looked after, and that you are always having an experience that is for the benefit of your soul's journey. Every experience that you are gifted in this life is so you can grow and learn and explore life. Explore this idea of trusting your higher self, trusting the universe to unfold in ways that seem like almost magic. It's all about trust. It's all about knowingness. It's all about letting whatever happen, and knowing that everything that does happen is for benefit of you. So let's take another deep breath in and a deep breath out. Come into the awareness of what it is that is causing you stress or anxiety. What is it that you feel upset about? And allow these things to come to surface because they are still valid, and it's important to give them the validation that they deserve. If you are feeling anxious about any medical procedures, if you're feeling anxious about anything that is happening within your body, anything that's happening that is out of your control in any way, want these anxieties to come to the surface now. Allow yourself to feel them. And then we'll take some deep breaths through these anxieties, through these stresses, and allow them to move through your body, through your breath. And before we get started, I want you to come back to that feeling of trust, that feeling where you know that everything is going to work out. I want you to imagine as you inhale that you're breathing in that feeling. You're taking it into your body. And as you exhale, I want you to let this stress, this anxiety move through your body and out. So we're creating almost this visual of energy moving in and energy moving out. So we'll take a deep breath in through the nose, breathing in trust. Deep breath out the mouth, letting go of that anxiety. Breathe in and out. Breathe in Breathe in and out. Keep breathing nice and slow. And as you continue this breath, deep and slow, imagine the feeling of waking up after a surgery and having the most incredible news regarding your health, regarding your well-being, being told to you. And if at any point your mind tries to bring you to a different feeling, gently come back to the breath and then begin to live in this moment once again. Imagine what it's like to get this amazing news from doctors, from nurses, about how well you are recovering, how quickly you are healing. Some may even tell you that you're recovering and healing faster than anyone they've ever seen before. Continue to breathe, and even if your mind is trying to tell you something that refutes this, I want you to remind your brain that this is just you playing with this idea. Just seeing how it would feel in your body if all of this were true. If you did wake up and hear this incredible news. Imagine how it would feel in your body to be completely calm, serene, and trusting. Whether you are seeing nurses on the way to the hospital, when you see doctors, when you're going in for surgery, imagine this feeling of peace and calm. Maybe even imagining how proud of yourself you are for staying calm, for being at peace. What does that feeling look like to you? Imagine you can see your body, you can see your face, happy, calm, and excited to heal. Excited to recover, excited that you are healing, relieved at how fast you are recovering. What does that look like to you? Take a deep breath in. A deep breath out. Now I want you to imagine the doctors and nurses and anyone else within the medical field or anyone that is helping you on your journey of healing. And just in your mind's eye, imagine a golden, sparkling light surrounding each person. Now you don't have to know what these people look like. I just want you to imagine this golden light surrounding people that are helping you. I want you to imagine that this golden light is protection from any harm to these people, whether it's physical, mental, emotional, and that these people are so healed that they become even more powerful healers. These doctors, nurses, and anyone else helping you on your path is radiating a healing light out to every single person they come in contact with. And feel this incredible sense of gratitude knowing that these people are helping you. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Today is going to be a really good day. I want you to take a moment to make one wish for yourself. Just for yourself. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Remember that everything you experience is through your mind's perception on what it is you're experiencing. And the most magical thing about this is that you have full control of your perception. You already know all of these truths, despite the fact that sometimes your mind pipes up and takes over. Although my voice is guiding you, you already know deep down inside that you are going to be okay. And despite those obstacles that come up, the obstacles that stand in your way or make you feel like you're going backwards at times, that you are actually getting stronger and stronger every single day. You are healing yourself more and more every day through your beautiful, radiant light that shines bright for everyone to see. So give yourself a smile and think about the incredible opportunity you have access to these medical procedures, access to the beautiful people in your life that support you, access to these doctors and nurses that help you recover and heal yourself. And the fact that your higher self has brought you to this moment so you can practice the incredible art of healing within yourself, self-healing. Give yourself a big smile and say thank you. You are magic.